What is happening, everybody? We're not making anything cool today, but I wanted to share something cool with you today. It's a little cold and rainy out here, so let's go inside in the shed and talk. That didn't sound creepy at all. So last Friday, I was watching a YouTube channel that I'm subscribed to, a YouTube channel called Matti, Haapoja, and the fella had put out a challenge called the Solo B-Roll Challenge. And if you're not familiar with what B-Roll is supplemental footage or alternate footage that you put over your A-roll to help you tell your story better. And that's kind of my thing, right? And to be honest, I think that that's what sets our channel apart from other DIY channels. So the rules of the challenge were to be under 1 minute. You had to take video of yourself by yourself with absolutely no help from anybody else. And it could be about whatever you wanted it to be. Then Matty's gonna pick 5 solo B-rolls to feature on his channel. But we also had to get our B-roll in by Sunday. So Saturday morning, I raced out to the shed, got together some footage, and I entered my clip in on Sunday morning. And just to give you a little context about what this is, Matti and a group of his friends lovingly call themselves the Dope Squad. The Dope Squad consists of Matti Haapoja, Chris Howe, and Peter McKinnon, among a few others I believe too. I binge watch all these guys on a regular basis. I have only been doing videography for about 5 months, so I can't call myself a videographer, but my skills come from these guys. So it was so exciting to be able to share my work with my peers and with the channels that I watch, which got me thinking, we should do that. Which brings me to my next point. With all that being said, I'm gonna share your work with the community. At the end of the next video I put out, I've got 2 guys that I've been talking to on Instagram that have given me permission to share their work with us. So I'm very excited about the next video, guys. Oh, and by the way, here's that clip that I made. What did you guys think? Comment below. I'm probably not gonna make it on Matty's channel, but it was very exciting and it was a lot of fun to do. But in the meantime, follow me on Instagram at michaelbuilds313 and follow me on Twitter at buildsmichael for maybe some behind the scenes stuff, and we can message back and forth. So please hit the like button and subscribe if you are not. I promise you won't regret it, and I'll see you in the next video.